Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Kraken wallet. This is going to be a full tutorial, so make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we have just installed the Kraken app, and from here you can have the most popular page where it shows you some cryptocurrencies, gainers, losers, and everything. You have 4 sections: Home, Portfolio, Explore, and Crack, and from here simply click on Create Account. Now from here you would like to use a brand new email that you haven't used before, and if anyone invites you, then simply click on Add Invite Code and enter their code, which you can have bonus for in the video. From here, going to after you enter it, once that is done, click on Continue and then select your residency. So if you're in the country of the United States, then choose that and then choose whatever state you are in. But for me, I'm going to choose where I'm living currently. Once you do that, click on Continue and then agree for the terms and say well. Now they're going to send you a code to your email, so make sure that you write this code here. Once you receive it, simply enter the code, and from here it's going to reassure it, and then it's going to send you inside the application, where now you will have access to all the features. And right here, as you can see, there are multiple steps, so you need to verify your identity, deposit and trade, and then get 30 spins, so that is just a bonus. So from here, click on Verify Now and keep moving. And then from here, it's going to ask you for your phone number, which you're going to add, and after that, it's going to ask you for a face scan. And once that is done, you are now allowed to enter however much amount of money that you would like in the app. And now you have full access to join it with your account that is going to be on the left section. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.